Hello and welcome to the online viewing from Myrtle Cottage. This is a 3-bedroom property with no onward chain. And into the property where we have a hallway and stairs going up to the first floor. We have the first reception room here on the left hand side. Lovely decorative fire surround and bay window facing towards the front of the property. Lovely high ceilings, wooden floorboards. And then through to the second reception room. Again, very spacious, and also having a built-in on the stairs storage pantry in the corner. View across the garden. Into the kitchen. And the boiler located on the left hand side. And continuing through where we have a rear lobby with door going out into the garden. And there's also a useful built-in storage cupboard here. And through to the bathroom. Where we have WC, pedestal wash basin and bath with an electric shower above. Okay, moving on to the first floor where we have 2 bedrooms, starting with the first bedroom here, which faces towards the front of the house. A really good sized room, which also has the benefits of a large overstairs storage cupboard, which could be a nice walk-in wardrobe. To the second bedroom, where we have a good view across the garden. And again, a good sized double room. And on to the top floor, where we have the third bedroom, which has a window facing towards the front of the property. And then just moving outside into the garden, and we can see there is a private gated access to the side, which leads through to the back of the property here, and the garden, which is a really nice size. There's a raised vegetable patch at the far end. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give the office a call as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.